Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Instagram filter not working. So if the filter is not working in your Instagram application, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open up your Play Store application, and after opening your Play Store application you have to search for Instagram, and after searching for Instagram you have to check if there is an update option. If you find an update option, you have to update your Instagram application. So after updating your Instagram application, your problem might be fixed. So if that doesn't fix your problem, you just have to tap and hold on to your Instagram application. And after doing that, you have to tap on the app settings. And after tapping on app settings, tap on storage and cache. And just tap on clear storage. This will reset your Instagram application. And even if that doesn't fix your problem, you just have to open up your Instagram application. And after opening your Instagram application, you have to tap on the profile icon, which is on the bottom right. And after tapping on your profile icon, tap on the 3-bar icon, which is on the top right. And then you have to tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, and then you can find more info and support. And inside more info and support, you can find help option. Just tap on that option and then tap on the first option, report a problem. After tapping on that option, it will ask you if you want to report your problem. So just tap on report problem and then tap on include and continue. And now you have to write the problem which you are facing in your Instagram application. And after writing your problem, just tap on send, which is on the top right. When your problem has been sent to Instagram, they will try to fix your problem. So this is what you have to do if filters are not working in your Instagram application. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.